How to set up admin setting. In this video, you will learn how to change the settings in Admin Portal. Admin settings allows you to display pages and settings for administrators. The administrator utility bar can now be found under the username by clicking the down arrow to display settings or click settings icon. In admin setting, it allows you to change the settings depending on requirement or specification. Accounts email address. This is where you set the email address in tax invoice where the email came from. By ticking the box of Add Bank Details Invoice, it will allow you to show the following details in your invoice: bank name, business account number, BSB, and bank country code. Next is the invoice code. This code will reflect in the invoice as the ABN. Click Save button for any changes made. To check what will be displayed based on the settings, click Admin drop-down. Under Finance, select Invoices. Here's the invoice page. Scroll down to the bottom to select an invoice. Tick the checkbox to select an invoice. And click Select an Action drop-down list. Click the Print Invoices. This feature will export a PDF file of all selected invoices, which can be saved to your computer. Click the PDF file to open the printed invoice. As per the admin settings, this email was set in account's email address. When an invoice has been sent or emailed to a client, it will then appear in the invoice where the email came from. Next is the EFT details in the invoice. When the Add Bank Details to Invoice is enabled in the admin settings, it will display the following: bank name, business account number, BSB, and bank country code. In the invoice, you will notice the ABN. This is set in admin settings by entering the invoice code for quotes and invoices. Next is the admin user login. Click the link to access the settings in admin user login. To access Personnel Manager, you need an active account. The login details are provided to you by the technical support team. In the administrator user login details, you can set here the admin username and admin password. Click Company Details. Client can customize their company details in this section. To change the logo, simply click Choose File button and upload your image file from your computer. Navigate to Background Image to change the background image. Click Choose File button and upload your image file from your computer. Hover your mouse to profile icon. This will allow you to change the profile icon from the PM page. Simply click Choose File button and upload your image file from your computer. Click Duty Managers under Admin Settings. In this section, Admin has the ability to assign access to Duty Manager. You may customize the access depending on client's specification. Duty Manager may have access to businesses, payroll, timesheets, invoices, crew booking block, global settings, send invoice and quote, rules and categories. Assign a staff and assign duty managers. In Duty Manager section, you can provide access to the duty manager depending on the requirement. Tick Global Settings. And tick Rules to provide access to the duty manager. Once done, click Save button. To check what will be displayed based on the settings, log in as Duty Manager. A window will pop up to select if you want to log in as crew or as Duty Manager. Select or click Duty Manager. In the home page, you can see that you're logged in as Duty Manager. Click Settings icon to see whether you have an access to global settings. In this screen, it shows that the Duty Manager has access to global settings. Now click the Admin drop-down to check if the Duty Manager has access to Rules page. Then click Rules under Finance. You can see that the Duty Manager has access to Rules page. Let's proceed to Ops Home in Admin Settings. Ops Home configuration allows you to customize your home page on how it will look like. Enabling quotes allow you to see the quotes column in the job sheet at your home page. Tick Enable Quotes. Then tick Enable Invoices to show Invoices column in the job sheet at your home page. Tick Show In-house Client Reference Numbers. This shows client numbers assigned by PM. Tick to display in-house client reference numbers instead of default reference numbers on job sheets, invoices, and quotes. Default reference numbers meaning short names for clients, entered in client profile page, followed by automatically assigned job sheet or invoice number for each job sheet created. When unticked, any number or name can be given to job sheets manually. You can now set up your default home page. Set your default home page from the drop-down menu to be the calendar, jobs or events. Select jobs. Your default home page will be the jobs page. Select group shifts. In this section, groups shifts on job sheet page can be viewed by date, activity, shift edit or none. Select date. Groups shifts on job sheet page can be viewed by date. Click Save button once done. To check what will be displayed based on the settings, go to Home page. Your default home page now is Jobs page. By enabling invoices in admin settings, you can see that Invoices column is visible in Job sheet. Unticking Enable Invoices in admin settings will remove the Invoices column in Job sheet. Quote column will be visible in Job sheet if Enable Quote is ticked in the admin setting. Click or select a job sheet. On this screen, show the job number if in-house client reference numbers is ticked. And if use in-house client reference numbers is ticked, then it will display in-house client reference numbers instead of default reference numbers on job sheet, invoice and quote. Job sheet page can be viewed by date, since the date was selected in the admin settings under group shifts on job sheet. Click Shift Page in admin settings. This feature allows you to customize what activities can be hidden from the shift page. Go to Shift Page to check what activities are visible in Shift Page. Be removing the cleaner activity from the Shift Page. Go to Shift Page Configuration and select Cleaner under Activities. Then click right arrow button. Click Save for any changes made. Go to Shift Page, scroll to the bottom part of the page to check what will be displayed based on the settings. See that the cleaner activity has been hidden from the Shift Page. Click User Action Reporting under Admin Settings. User Action Reporting section allows user to send email to admin when crew rank is updated and shift is deleted by entering the email address of the admin on admin email address field. Click Save once done. To check what will be displayed based on the settings, click Jobs on central navigation bar. Then click Shifts. Scroll down on the bottom part of the shift page. Select one of the shift and tick the checkbox. Click Select an Action button. And then select Delete Shift. A window will pop up that you need to enter the reason for deleting the shift. Now go to Crew page to edit the rank, click Contacts in central navigation bar. Then click Staff List. Select a staff and click Edit icon. Click Personal Details on your left side of crew profile. Edit the rank. Enter the rank reason. Click Save Details. Admin will receive an email when crew rank is updated. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions or concern, please send us an email at support@personnelmanager.com.au.